G'day, Ben here. In this Groove Your Modbus video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly build and view mobile interfaces for any Modbus device. To do this, I'm going to need three things: Groove server for Windows, a tag server that connects to my Modbus device, and my Satec PM130 power meter. It's a simple three-step process. First, I'll configure the Modbus device in my tag server. I'll be using Kepware's KepServer EX installed on a Windows computer. Second, I'll add the tag server in Groove Build and import the tags. And third, I'll attach gadgets to those tags, then save and view the data in my desktop web browser and on my Samsung Galaxy S4 smartphone. You ready? Then let's get started. I'm going to remote desktop to a Windows 7 PC. I've already downloaded and installed Kepware's KepServer EX free trial. Now that'll run for all features and drivers for a full 2 hours, just like Groove Server for Windows. So together, it's the perfect way to trial all the steps in this video for free. Let's go ahead and open up KepServer's configurator and click on New Channel. Give it a name. I'm going to call it Modbus. From the drop-down driver list, I'm going to choose Modbus TCP/IP Ethernet. But before I go on, just take a look at all the other drivers supported. All these systems are now compatible with Groove. And that means that while this video is covering Modbus devices, these same three steps largely apply to anything in this list. Okay, I got a little excited there, so let's get back to work. Click Next, and if you have more than one network interface card, be sure and select the card that the Modbus device is on. Go ahead and select defaults for all the remaining dialogues. Now that the channel is created, let's add a device. Click on Add Device and give it a name. I'm going to call it Satec for my meter here. The ID is the IP address and the device number. Accept the defaults on the remaining dialog boxes. Next, we want to configure the data points that we want to see in Groove. So check out the Modbus register document for your device and just add the ones that you want to display in Groove. Click Add a Static Tag. Now enter the address and description. I'm going to add my voltage and total kilowatts. That's it. I'm done with step one. Now let's automatically import those tags into Groove. I'm going to flip over and use the Mac now, and I'm going to use my favorite browser, Chrome, but I could just as well be using any modern browser like Safari on the Mac or Internet Explorer running on Windows or Firefox on Linux, or you get the point. But make sure when you log in with Groove that you log in with admin rights. Go ahead and click on the gear icon and then select Switch to Groove Build. Now click on Configure, Devices and Tags. First, we have to add our tag server. I'm going to name it Modbus Tags. Next, I simply import all the tags from that server by clicking on Import Tags. Boom! That's it. I'm done with step two. Now, the last step is the really fun part, building our page in Groove with no programming. Let's go ahead and drag a gauge onto the page. Now I'm going to connect it to the voltage register with the power meter. We select Modbus Tags, then Imported Tags, and there's our voltage register there. Click on it and then click Update Gadget. Give the gauge an appropriate scale, and you can even change the pointer color if you like. That's it, we're done. So let's try it out. Click on File, Save All Changes and switch to Groove View. Alright, here it is. Now let's see if the voltage drops a little when we turn on the heater. Oh yeah, does it what? Check that out. Okay, let's go back now and hook up a text gadget to the kilowatt register. Go back into Groove Build and drill down to the tag you want. Then select the text gadget, drag that over onto the page. And you know what? While we're here, let's throw an image onto the page as well. Select the image gadget, browse for the image. It's too easy. We're done. Let's save the project and check it out. Here it is again on my browser, but you know what? Let's check it out on my Android smartphone. Oh, check that out. Just about a kilowatt. It looks and works just awesome. How easy is that? In hardly any time, we built the Modbus tags in KEPServer EX. Then Groov automatically imported all those same tags. It was simple then to hook those tags and gadgets, and don't forget, Groov automatically built the mobile pages while I built the desktop pages, and we didn't have to write a single line of code. Groov your Modbus device. It's a simple 3-step process. For more information, check out groov.com. Till next time, cheers mate.